Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Prithwingard B. Maratas, Section G2A-1. I here in front to report about the building and permeability. Building and permeability are key concepts in naval architecture and ship stability, describing how a vessel behaves when damaged or flooded. Permeability. This refers to the percentage or space within a compartment that can be filled with water. Not all space can flood because of structures, machinery, cargo, or equipment. For example, an empty hold has high permeability while a compartment filled with solid cargo has low permeability. It directly affects how much water enters and how much stability is lost. Bulging. This is the condition where a compartment or space in a ship is breached and flooded by seawater. When a space is bulged, the water inside acts like added weight, causing the ship to sink deeper and often creating a less or trim. It reduces the ship's stability and buoyancy, and the severity depends heavily on the permeability of the flooded space. So maoro to everyone. Thank you.